All right, what's up, people? Um, what I want to do is, you guys need to fucking. I want to be below 2,000. Get me to 1.99. You need to start unsubbing. Um, so what I did was, now I have two different apps. I did the color thing, which is cool as shit. Nobody can do that like me. What I want you guys to do, by the way, when I showed my wife all this, me and her both agreed that the green was the best. The Picasso green. Just going through the colors. Just going through the spectrum. You know what I'm saying? Even hitting black and white and ultraviolet infrared. But now we're getting to Dionysus and Apollo. That would be familiar to you if you're familiar with somebody else. We don't need to talk about who that somebody else is. The poll is open. But here's what I want to encourage you guys to do. And let me go to my thing. That's Nova right there. But we'll go over here. Yeah, I have a lot of shit. You want to go to Nova or Chatbot AI? They both do kind of the same thing. So like, and then one of these I'm actually paying money for. I forget which one. So then there's this one. So if I said, like, watch this, I say create an image, and then I go here, and then I say create the most, watch this shit, the most clowny, no, I don't want to fucking change that. See, autocorrect suck a dick. Clown ever. Let me do this shit. Ever in the history. Can we do this? Of the universe. And let's see what it does me. Now, see, this is how I start fucking with this thing. One of these I pay money to. I forget which one. So, like, look, we're doing this. We're going here. That's goofy. That's silly. That's creepy. And that's weird. So we can go back. We can go back. Hold on. Let's go back. And then I just take this, copy that, and put that there. and I want infinite clowns. I want infinite clowns. Infinite clowns. Let's go. Let's make some clown narration, nigga. No, I'm encouraging you to get into this. Because see what it is it's like, oh, that's Ronald McDonald over there. Look at that shit. You have a nightmares yet? Not me, I'm not scared of clowns, but look at all them clowns in the background, dude. It's like they popping up all over the place. You know what I'm saying? Like, see, it's balloons. Did I give balloons? Was balloon? I didn't say balloons. Let me copy. We're gonna do copy, and we're gonna go here, and we're gonna put that in there, and we're gonna say no balloons. No balloons. Let's go. See? Like I'm saying, download this app, have fun with it. I'm obviously not a sponsor. I'm not a sponsor of anything. This is starting to get a little bit more creepy. Look at this thing. I said no balloons. They gave me. Look at this goddamn shit. I hope nobody watching this shit is on some fucking acid, nigga. I hope nobody on this is, whatever. Lord Jesus Christ, this shit is like, it's popping heads all over the place. Hold on. Wait. Let me get this. Hold on. No balloons. We're gonna do it. And all heads. Heads. Should I say pop or explode? Which one should I do? Let's pop. Explode. Let's do explode, nigga. this is gonna be fun as shit. Yeah, I know I'm slow on it. I'm slow on the uptake, nigga. When my hands come out, they come out quick though. See? What are we doing here, nigga? What are we doing here? No. I mean, some of y'all might be scared of clowns and shit, and y'all is like, what the fuck are you doing? What are you doing? Look at that fucking gaping hole. Don't put your dick in there, man. Let me see, what are we up to? Let me try this. Create the most clown. Let's try this one. Paste it. Re-explode into a. Should I say N? Yeah, entire. Yeah, because you have to do N when you're starting with a vowel. Entire. I want an entirely new reality. Let's see. Let's see how this motherfucking shit works. Because see, this is the thing. You got to get the prompts right. You got to play with the prompts until you get something cool. So you can spend all day in this bitch. But that's why you need to get all day into... Look at this motherfucking shit. What the fuck is this guy doing? Who the fuck is that character? He looks like Bill Murray. I'm going to save that because... Let me save that. Now what the fuck? No. Heads is popping, but they ain't popping, right? I mean, shit. Yeah, but I mean, look, dude, we can go back. I mean, shit, I can go back. Watch this. I'm going to do something completely different. You're going to laugh your ass off when I do this. I'm going to say, show me. This is going to be funny. An image of... let's take... Who should we take? Melchizedek. Melchizedek. The priest of God Most High. Most High. In Salem. Show me an image of Melchizedek, the priest of God Most High in Salem. Let's get the S in there. In the style of... Let's do Picasso. I want to do Picasso. I want to see it. Let's see. Let's see if they can do that for me. Wow, this guy doesn't look good at all, man. That's probably the best looking one, but... Yeah, nah, dude. Why are you making this guy decrepit, man? He's young. See? Let's go back. Let's do... Let's copy that. Put it here. I know this is going to be a long video. Show me an image of Melchizedek, the priest of God Most... let's do young. Young Melchizedek. Try that. Come on, man. You will not defeat me. They're going to tell me I'm done for the day. They always got I'm done for the day. What are we doing here? What is this shit? Who is that? How did we get to... That's a... No. No. Where did I put the fucking... No, I didn't intervene in that. Shit. Gotta be fucking with me. Alright. So, let's try this shit, because let's just be fun. Let's do Hercules. Oh, I didn't get it right. There we go. Hercules. It's actually Heracles. But we got to do Hercules because they're not going to understand it otherwise. Arm wrestling. Do we want to do Jesus or Superman? I say we do Jesus. I say let's go Jesus with that shit. You know what I'm saying? Boom. I didn't even fucking put any other prompts in there. Hercules, arm wrestling, Jesus. Let's see. Look at that shit. You know what I'm saying? Oh, dude. That's getting downloaded. Fuck out of here. That was a good one. That's a good one, too. He's even got the little lion under there and everything else. It's like, which one is Jesus in this motherfucker? You know what I'm saying? Nah, look at this, man. Look at that. This is what AI can do for you. You can have fun with it. Have fun with it, man. It creates all kind of things. All kind of images. Anywho.